Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's video, we will learn how to remove a background from our image. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is give our untitled presentation a name. So I'm going to call this Remove Background. Next, I'm going to click on this plus sign here and I'm going to get myself a new slide. You can also hold down this little mini arrow and you can choose a blank slide if you like a completely blank slide. I always like a blank slide, but in this case, I have these two boxes that appeared. So I'm just going to drag a blue box over it and click backspace and it just gets rid of the extra from my slide. So now my slide is ready to be worked on. I'm going to click on background. I would like to choose a garden for my background. As you can see, I was already looking for a garden. So I'm just going to find the perfect image for my backdrop or background. And I think I like this one, so I'm going to go with that. Now that I have this image as my background, I would like to add some people onto my slide presentation. So I'm going to be looking for grandpa and granddaughter cartoon. As you can see, I have a new window open and I was already looking for that. So I think I found an image that I like. I'm going to right click and copy this image. So right click and copy, and then you can right click and paste it, or you can do Control and V. As you can see, this image does not belong here with my background. It just doesn't look right because of this white background. Well, worry not. Today we're going to learn how to get rid of this white background. So in another new window, which I already have open, we're going to go to a website called Remove.bg. Once we go there, we have to save our image onto our computer or our desktop. So the next thing we're going to do is right click again, but instead of copying the image this time, like we did last time, we're just going to save image as. As you can see, I already saved my image right here onto my desktop. So I have my image, but if you don't have it, you can save image as and it'll save it for you. Once we save the image, it shows up on our computer and it also shows up on this little menu bar here on the bottom of the screen. So now we're going to go back to the website called Remove.bg for removing our background. We are now going to click on this image and drop and drag it anywhere onto this web page. It really doesn't matter where you drop this image, it can go anywhere. So now that I have my image dropped onto this page, you can see that my image is here and it says removed background. It also has the option for you to see the original and then the removed version. So I'm going to download this new removed version and it saves it again onto my desktop. And so now I'm just going to go back to my presentation, which is here. And I really don't want this image anymore because it doesn't really look nice at all. It doesn't serve the purpose of this presentation. So I'm going to delete it. What I'm going to do now is take my new image from remove.bg and drop and drag it onto my slide presentation. As you can see, I just dropped and dragged it anywhere, and now it's just a matter of placing and positioning the people where I really want to see them and have them in my picture. So as you can see, this was an easy way to remove the background from your picture and reuse this image to serve your purpose for a slide presentation, or if you're a teacher, then for any of your assignments or an interactive slides. It can serve many purposes. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you learned something new, and I will see you again next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.